Hi, I'm Jana De Laurentiis. This is the Barefoot Contessa. Welcome to the Chopped Kitchen. Hi everybody, I'm Maddie. I manage brand styling at Anthropologie. I love to cook. It's one of my passions in life and something I grew up doing. I wanted to invite you to join me on my lunch break today where I'm going to be cooking up some of my favorite recipes that I make for lunch and dinner all in one go using just a few ingredients. So I was inspired by our new Claire V collaboration. She's partnered with our amazing decor team to put together these really fun plates and dishes and all sorts of things that are inspired by her time on the French Riviera, featuring one of my favorite ingredients, sardines. How adorable is this collection? Join me and we can get started. Okay, I wanted to show you the ingredients that I'm using to cook with today. So first is escarole. This is really the star of the show. Next are cannellini beans. You can use any kind of white bean. Next is pecorino romano. Of course, garlic and then some olive oil. So I'm gonna use both of those in my soup and salad. And then the star of the show, anchovies. Okay, so I've got my beans simmering on the stove, getting ready for my soup, but while those are going, I'm gonna get my actual lunch ready. These pack a lot of protein and last forever, so I love them. Olive oil all over. Then I'm just taking half a lemon, giving it a good squeeze. This was my workout for today. Okay, took a little break to make sure that I wasn't burning the house down with the soup that's on the stove. Add a decent amount of salt here, a little bit of pepper. I like a really peppery salad, personally. And I'm gonna plate it on my favorite new plate. I like a lot of anchovies, so I'm gonna keep piling them on. The best part, the cheese. I'm just using a vegetable peeler, actually, to give me some really pretty ribbons of cheese. That's it. My salad took 2 seconds and I already have dinner cooking. Before I sit down to enjoy my lunch over there, I wanted to show you what's been happening. The beans are simmered, they look really good. Add this right into the pot. So I finished my lunch. It was so delicious, super easy, and took 2 seconds to make. So now I'm gonna show you my soup that's been cooking. This is what it looks like now. You can see that pecorino rind floating around in there too, so that's gonna bring it a ton of flavor. I'm just gonna take it off the burner, let it sit, and it's ready for dinner. Thanks for joining me on my lunch break. I'm really excited that I was able to get my lunch in and my dinner made all in one go. So enjoy!